Hi, this is Adriana, and the video today is about the word overcomer, overcome. Actually, everybody is an overcomer, but I read in the dictionary about the word overcome, and it's succeeding in dealing with a conflict or with difficulty. And I remember, like probably a few months ago, I've always had this fear of dogs, and I would never get near a dog, or I'm very scared of. Well, at least I used to be scared of dogs. Anyways, my daughter, she got herself a dog. It's been with her for about a couple of years now. And at the beginning, when she would go to the dog park, to me it was very scary to go with her. I wanted to go because I wanted to share time with her, but the first time I went to the park, it was so scary. I thought the dogs were gonna come and bite me. So thank goodness all of the dogs ignored me, of course, and I didn't want to show fear, but my daughter knew exactly how I was feeling. But I kept going and going because I wanted, not to have that feeling. I made the decision and went, and I kept going and going. So finally, I'm okay now. It's better. I'm still like cautious about dogs that I don't know. But it's getting better. So I think everybody, once you made a decision about something, either you do it by yourself or you can get the support of other people. And my point is that that's one of the reasons I joined SalesVision, because I want to overcome, a lot of difficulties that I have with businesses, with my business. So I invite you to do the same thing, because the trainings within SalesVision are priceless. So if you want to have more information, just go to the link below and find out what the trainings are about. You can create a free account and start from there. Thank you for watching. Bye.